proper chest rig setup. Hey everybody, I'm Michael with Jase Medical Preparedness. I got a lot of comments on the last video talking about my new chest rig setup. About that it was a belly rig. Yes, I realized right before filming that video that I still had it set up for use over my slick plate carrier, which I answered a ton of comments pointing that out. Thank you for pointing that out. I got tired of answering the question, but you made very good points. I should have set it up properly for the video so people see the proper way of doing it. My bad, I apologize. I shouldn't be putting out stuff like that, showing stuff not done exactly right, because people that don't know may think that that's the right way to do it. So this is a correction video of how to wear the plate carrier. Set this down. As you see, this is the way I like to wear it. Some people may like to wear it a little bit higher. Some people may like to wear it a little bit lower, but you don't want this to be a belly rig. You don't want it to be down too low. The straps were loosened, like I said, to put over my plate carrier. My bad, I should have set it up properly. But as you see here, it is across the chest. Right about where my pecs start is where I want it. I don't want it up too high though, like way up here, because then I'll be hitting my face trying to get the mags out, and it'll be more difficult to get to the mags because they'd be up like this. So you want it set up properly for you and your body type. Some people have longer arms, some people have shorter arms, some people have longer torsos, shorter torsos, etc. But it does need to be a chest rig, not a belly rig. My bad. I know, I should have done it. I wanted to get the video out, and you know, I thought about it, and then it slipped my mind, and then throughout the video I kept thinking about it, but I really didn't have the time to reshoot the video and all this other stuff. So I figured I'd do this video, show you guys the proper way to have a chest rig, not a belly rig, set up. So this is the chest rig I already talked about. And also, when it's up higher, worn properly, the dangler, my admin pouch, dangles on like above my pelvic area, above, you know, my man parts, so it doesn't bang around like that, which is also proper way to do it. You don't want your dangler down too low because you don't want a big gap between the bottom of your mags and the dangler, because you don't want it flopping around too much. But you want it adjusted also up high enough where you can get into it properly and not have interference issues at the bottom of your magazines, but also, like I said, not too low. So not too high, not too low. You need to find that sweet spot. So with that said, since we're talking about this chest rig again, this is the Citadel Defense chest rig. Let me show you something else about it. I'm going to take it off here and show you how I did this. He does not have a way to run a dangler on this chest rig as it comes from him, but let me show you. Let me pop this off really quick. What I did was on the back here, get some closer up on it, this panel here that covers the Velcro, what I did is I took it off and I cut little slits in it, and then I put these clips on here and attached my dangler to it. I had to do several cuts to figure out the proper height for the chest rig, or for the dangler, but it all worked out great, and that is how I have this set up. So that is a little better description of this chest rig and how it's set up. So I thought that was important to go over. Okay, so with that described, that's one of the modifications I made. I thought you guys might want to also know about. So the Citadel Defense chest rig, like I said, it's pretty nice. I have been using it. A lot of people, some of the comments also were that it's like really nice looking. Well, I do take care of my gear. After I get it dirty, I brush it off with a dry brush, and I try to keep my gear clean, and I try to make it last as long as possible, because I am a very limited budget. I don't make money off of YouTube really. I may possibly make $200 a month. I mean, seriously, because YouTube's always shutting me down. You know, part of it's my fault, and part of it I know is I see how things work and what happens. And you know, people like me, people like you probably, They don't like us. So it is what it is. It's a continual uphill battle. But yeah, I take care of my gear. I have used this quite a bit. Let me see, I've been using it for about a month or two. I've taken it out on 4 different training sessions where we did patrolling, we did reaction to contact, we did rushes. So I was in the dirt with it, I was in the bushes with it, I was in the woods with it, I was in rain with it. You know, so limited use. I mean, only about 2 months now, but we'll see how it goes on, and I'll keep telling you guys about this because you'll see it. You'll see it, continually see it in videos because, you know, like I said, this is my primary chest rig. Some people did ask for me showing this chest rig over the slick plate carrier video. I can do that also, and a video about the pack and what I have in it. That is definitely planned. That is a very important video, so I will do that upcoming. So stay tuned for that. Stay frosty out there. Between now and, you know, January, early January, it may get a little dicey out there. So make sure your kit is squared away. Make sure that your chest rig is a chest rig, not a belly rig. Make sure your plate carrier is set up properly. Plate carrier, you want it to come up right there to that notch in the top of your sternum. That's where you want your plate carrier to sit. So it's properly covering your vital organs. Just a little side note. But anyway, make sure that these are taken care of and that they're functioning properly. So far, here I'll show you this really quick also. I put on that little angled grip that I got from the Tac Pack box, and you know, so far I like it. It doesn't mount exactly where I want it on the pistol. I wish it was a little bit further forward, but it's functional right now. I can still reach up and turn on my tack light and my laser. So, you know, all in all, it's good. I mean, it's just a piece of polymer. So, you know, it functions fine for what I need right now. So it'll stay on the rifle or pistol for a little while. Anyway, like I said, stay frosty, keep your head on a swivel, and, you know, get ready for if anything goes down. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and blessings to you and yours.